Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's try to learn how to modify editing and others, yeah. But I will show all of you the first image that we will editing. Yeah, I have picture like this. Yeah, I think it's great, but I do need some object. Yeah, I will be edited this image. Okay, let's try. I don't need this object and this. Yeah, okay. First, zoom tool use and zooming this object and zooming this object. Now to use clone stem, yeah, clone stem tool, but we can adjust the size of brush. Okay, maybe like this. Yeah, after that we start from above. Yeah, hold alt and click this area, click and try to okay like this. Yeah, okay, be careful. Okay, like this. Control min, yeah, and try to copy this. It's okay, or this area. Okay, let's try. Hold button Alt, click and try this. Okay, it's okay. Sorry, history, tone stem. Okay, but I think it's not same. Okay, I'll try. I'll hold. Yeah, okay, I'll hold. Okay, be careful. Oh, sorry. I'll hold. Okay. Maybe we can use blur, I think. Yeah, okay, let's try maybe blur. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. Clone stem again, maybe here. Okay, click this, click, yeah, click. Okay, be careful, we can use this. Okay, yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, here. Okay, that's it. Control 0. It's clear. Yeah, I think it's clear. Now try to this. Okay, let's check the clone stem. Okay, be careful. Yeah, that's it. Okay, sometimes we must save first. Yeah, if we don't know, maybe loss about electric and others. Yeah, okay, let's try to edit this. Yeah, I use still clone stem like this. hold, click. Yeah. Okay. Or another place, hold, click. Yeah. Hold, click. Yeah. Okay. Hold, click. Okay. And we can another place, click. Yeah. Okay. Hold, click. Okay. Next we edit it again, a part of not match object. One, two. Okay. Be careful. Okay. Hold, click. Oh, sorry. Hold, click. Yeah. Okay. Be careful. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I decrease the size. Hold, click. Yeah, lagi. Okay. Hold, click. If you want to make a detail, we must zoom in. Yeah, this area when we need to modify. Yeah. Okay, let's try, but okay, let's try to. Okay, that's it. Good. Okay, let's try. Good. Yeah, I think it's enough. Okay. Oops. I think it's more better. Yeah, but this will zoom. Yeah, zoom. Maybe clearly to views. Yeah. Okay, let's try another. Okay, here I use this. Look at this. Maybe we want to try to like this. Yeah. Okay. Try to another ways. Okay. Try to. Oh, sorry. Too much. Oh. Control D. Okay, I will try to. Okay. Yeah. Control C, Control V. Like this. Better. Duplicate. Yeah. Yeah. Thing. Duplicate. Always. I think. Okay. Okay. And we can use the tool. Yeah. Okay, like this. Yeah. Tool. Oh, sorry. Delete this duplicate layer like this. Yeah. Okay, just a bit. Yeah, just a bit. Okay, this. Okay, this just a bit to, yeah, okay, that's another way. Yeah, I think okay. Save. Okay guys, that's our lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson.
See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.